Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Set this settings icon. Go to system. Select about. Select system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows that there is an update. The size of the update is 731 MB. This software update includes Android security patch level has been updated, other bug fixes and performance improvements. So we have to carefully check what is in this update. If we are okay with that, we can go ahead and select restart now button. So that way we can download and install this software update into this TV. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please try this.